Good evening, everyone. I am Shambhavi, the current lead of GDSC ASEB, and I'll be your facilitator throughout this series as Gen AI Study Jams, which will be a month-long program where we'll help you complete and try out courses on Gen AI and learn more about it. So I'll be your point of contact for all of this and for any help you need or to give any uh, notices. So let's start. Before that, before we get into the campaign, we need to know what's Gen AI. So Gen AI is basically an ML model that is trained to create new data rather than predicting something about a data. It is used to create synthetic data such as pictures, video, text, and it's pretty prevalent in today's world, tech world. And so you might ask, how is it relevant to you? For that, I'll present to you certain statistics. Um, just go through them. So 75% of professionals say that Gen AI will cause significant change in the industry and the competition that is in there. And says McKinsey's research. And 70% of Gen Z use Gen AI, and 52% of them trust it to make their decisions, according to Salesforce. 100 million people use ChatGPT on weekly basis. 86% of IT leaders expect Gen AI to play a drastic role in their organization. 2 million developers are using apps that are built on OpenAI's platform. And research by Brainy Insight, which is a company that gives data analytics to company to make certain gives insights to companies on their using their data analytics. They estimate that revenue generated by AI services will hit $188 billion by 2032, which is caused by increased AI adaptation across all the industries. A Salesforce survey says that 55% of people working in marketing are already using Gen AI, with 22% planning on adopting it in the near future. And 90% of online content would be synthetically generated by using Gen AI by 2026. And there's a lot more. So what does that say? We can conclude that Gen AI is here to stay. It is making drastic changes in the industry. It's reinventing jobs, reconstituting processes, refocusing talent. And in all of that, where do you stand? We can take the first step by learning more about Gen AI. And for that, we have the Gen AI study jams for you. Now, what are Gen AI study jams? It's a month-long program that will run during May, where you'll learn more about Gen AI, get hands-on experience with curated content. You'll be able to access Google Cloud Platform, and you'll also be taking part in the Gen AI arcade game to learn more about Gen AI. You'll be using Vertex AI to design prompts, and you can develop Gen AI apps with Gemini and Streamlit. Now, what do the timelines look like? So firstly, we'll have the introduction session, which is this one. And next, we'll be rolling out a form to register for the program. Forms open on 23rd April, that's tomorrow at 7 p.m. IST, and close on 24th April at 11:59 p.m. IST. And after you register, you'll be receiving access code for the Google Cloud platforms by 1st May evening. And you'll have to complete the courses in between 1st May to 28th May. So since the timeline is colliding with the end semester exams, we leave it up to you to decide how you want to take it, what times you want to complete your courses. Let's talk about the content that's available. So firstly, on the Google Cloud platform, you'll be completing a course about generative AI. It's around 15 labs, and you'll be getting one skill badge for that. After that, you'll be working with Gemini on Google Cloud, and also you'll be taking part in the Gen AI arcade game. And yeah, so also the arcade game will be the access will be given to you during 1 week only, any week within May. So only at that time you can access it. What does the sign up process look like? So from our campus, or each campus, only 150 people can register. So we'll be taking first 150 people who register from the program, and we'll be circulating a Microsoft form. If you had signed up for cloud study exams, the form will be similar to that. All the details will be similar. And to sign up, you'll have to create a Google Cloud Skill Boost account on or after 17th April. So yeah, it should be a new account. It shouldn't be previously used, and make sure you have no typos in your form. Otherwise, it might be rejected. Now, to create your account, you got to go to cloudskillboost.google, and therein click on sign in and fill in all the details, and you'll make a new account, and that account has to be made on or after 17th April. No previously used accounts are to be used. Reiterating on it. I'll take you through a dummy form too to give an idea of what you would have to fill. So firstly, you'll have to put your email, either terms and conditions, accept the terms. If you decline, you can't be participating in the campaign. And then you can read through all of this, put your full name, put your gender, institution name. You'll be having you'll have to enter Amrita School of Engineering, Bangalore. Put in your year of graduation. If say yes, if you have have a laptop and internet connection with latest Chrome browser. Failure to do so will not let you participate in the campaign. And then you have to create a Cloud Skill Boost account on this website, like I showed before. And yeah, again, put your email with which you have created your Cloud Skill Boost account. And after that, you'll be getting a URL which looks like this. So you'll be having profile ID at the end of the public URL, which you have to take and put it here. And then say I acknowledge, agree, and then submit. So basically, that's a rough idea of what the form would look like. If there are no questions, thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you in the further sessions. Thank you.